Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to enable comments on the channel. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your channel that you have created. Then tap on your profile icon. Over there, you can see the option of channel settings. Tap on it. There you can see channel type, discussion, appearance, reaction, administration, remove statistics, recent action. Here you can see the option of reaction. Tap on it and make sure your reaction is turned on so that the people can react to your chat or anything, and you can also tap on update reaction. Then after there you have another option as well, enable paid reaction as well. You can do that. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.